Hey guys, Miggy here from Visor, and I am struggling to contain my excitement because this right here is a Lancia Delta Integrale. It's actually making me weak at the knees because this is my favorite car of all time. However, there is something wrong with this car. Come on, I'll show you. This Italian hot hatch isn't looking so hot right now because of a cracked windshield, but thankfully, the guys at Aguila Auto Glass are here to save the day. So, let's get started. So before we get to the Lancia, let me tell you a bit about this windscreen. This automotive laminated glass is green tinted and is ICC compliant. This means that it meets every single safety standard for modern cars. If it's good enough for this gorgeous Delta, it's good enough for your daily ride. So with the awesome work done by the folks at Aguila Auto Glass, this Delta Integrale is once again fighting fit to hit the road.